on? Zach BAGGED here again for Down South Racing, and actually I'm going to turn my car off so y'all can hear me better. But so I kind of forgot about this video, and I'm putting it out because I didn't really have much to do today. When we were down at the beach, I posted something in a couple of the Facebook groups, the Mustang groups and stuff on Facebook about it. We were down there and we'd like to meet people for just, you know, have a little cruise through. And we wanted to do a reaction video. There were some people down there, you know, in nice cars and stuff, but of course in Jared's yellow car that he used to have, it was so loud, and yellow is obviously a bright color, so everyone was staring at us. And we had revved it up a few times and everybody was just like, you know, jump back because it's so loud. So I really wanted to do a reaction video, and not to sound dumb or anything, but it's only like $100 fine if you get pulled over for, like, I guess excessive noise complaint or whatever. So it's not that bad. So it would have been kind of funny. We would have paid it or whatever. But luckily this guy named Daniel showed up. He messaged us on Facebook and said that he was on his way. And so in the picture on his Facebook, it looked like he just had a magnetic gray 15 or 16 GT that had been lowered. And so when he got there, I heard him air it out, so I could tell it was bagged, and had some nice wheels on it, as you can see in the video and stuff. But turned out it was a Paxton blower car that made 732 wheel on 93. So it was pretty serious, and so he offered to take me for a ride in it and stuff, and we cruised through down the strip at Myrtle Beach and stuff there by Boardwalk and stuff, and it was a really great time. But I'm gonna play the video now of us kind of cruising through and doing some pulls and stuff, and just kind of the car, just to show you what it is, and then at the end I'll go over like what all was done to it and stuff. Alright guys, so as you can see, it was obviously a really fun time riding in that car. It made, like I said, 732 wheel horsepower on a pretty conservative tune. It was on 93 and still had the stock fuel system. So just a booster pump. And but for those of you wondering, it was a Paxton 2200 SL. It had long tubes, 1 7/8 inch catless, to an H-pipe, and I think MBRP exhaust. I'm not 100% sure. It had an airlift V2 system in it, so it was bagged. It was aired down all the way to, I think, 1 inch, or maybe less. I think his ride height was like he could cruise in it between 1.5 inches and 2 inches, and he could raise it up even higher than whatever stock is. So it was really cool. I'm not 100% sure what kind of wheels he had on. I do know he had a big 305 on the back, and it would just blow them off. But you see in one video, I mean, that's the difference between having 732 wheel horsepower and 420. I mean, like, Jared's car was fast, and that car was just, you know, it's really fast. Now, some people know it's not that fast, and is it a crazy build? No. It probably makes a little over 800 horsepower to the crank, so, you know, I mean, it goes pretty good, though, especially, I think it only had 331s in it, so it was perfect for a boosted car. But I just want to say thank you to Daniel. I told him we were going to make this video, and I just honestly totally forgot. We got back from the beach and got busy, got back to the real world, unfortunately. But it was a really good time. And we really wanted to film a reaction video of everybody cruising through, but by the time he had got there, it was a little late, as you can see. So there weren't that many people on the streets. But nonetheless, we had a really good time, and his car was loud. Jared's was loud. It was a really fun time, so cruising through, like I said. So shout out to Daniel. I really appreciate you, my brother. He's a retired military guy, so appreciate your service, brother, and all that you did for your country. So just to wrap this video up here, guys, just real quick, it's not, it did happen a couple weeks ago. It's not in real time, but we didn't really have anything to do today, so I'm going to put it out there. And guys, just once again, thank you all for the support. I know Jared's been really happy with the reaction to him getting his 18. He had a lot of positive comments and everything. And like I said, we're going to put out a lot of good content with that. He's breaking it in. It's been raining. It's like 1 hour out of the day that it's not raining today, and it's 7 o'clock at the time I'm making this, so it is what it is. But again, guys, just go ahead and subscribe down below, drop this video a like, let us know what you want to see with the 18, what all kind of content you'd like to see. If you need to know anything about it, comment down below. But again, guys, just another short little video, and I hope you all enjoyed. Until next time,